I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
Good morning, y'all, and happy Monday. Your girl did her nail, a little DIY, saving those coins. Today is Monday, August the 3rd, so let's just go ahead and bake some cookies with my toddler. He's been waiting quite some time, and I did go to Baskin Robbins to get the ice cream. I got cotton candy and then just a regular vanilla, so if I don't bake these cookies today, the ice cream might be done. And the whole plan was to bake the cookies to make some like cookie sandwiches. So let's just jump right into it, okay? And as you could see, my kitchen is like tiny. I do not have a lot of counter space to work with, so this is pretty much what it is. I am using my oldie but goodie recipe book. Had this book since high school. You guys have seen this plenty of time, and it has some of the best bacon recipes inside. This is my absolute favorite. I kind of put tags on the recipes that I do over and over, but this is my absolute favorite chocolate chip recipe. It is just like chef's kiss time after time, and look how old the book is. Like this is ancient, but she's still good. I'm still getting some good use. It is the Better Homes and Garden collection. If I show you guys the ice cream tubs, the ice creams are pretty much done, and I don't know if we're gonna have like the cookie sandwiches that I wanted, but at least the cookies will be baked. I'm just going to set this aside. Now I'm just going to move on and mix the wet ingredients. Like I got the chair here for my son to come and help me, and I don't know where he went, y'all, but I want to bake these cookies. Whew. I'm actually trying to clean as I go, so I do not have a lot of mess to tidy up, and I could just free up the counter space as I go. Okay, I don't think my son is coming back, so I think I have just about all of my wet ingredients. I need about a cup of butter. So let's just go ahead and get our butter. So I did take the butter out a little bit ahead so that it would be nice and soft by the time I got to it. Let me just double check to make sure I'm not overdoing this. It's been a minute since I have baked. Yeah. So really and truly, the recipe does call for half a cup of butter and then a half a cup of shortening, but I never really use shortening. I always use butter, and the recipe is always 10 out of 10. So in my eyes, if it's not broken, why fix it? And this is given a lot of butter. This is about a cup. And that is a lot. But imagine when you buy the cookies from the store and it has like oodles and noodles of preservatives, so you might as well just bake it at home. And this is not margarine, this is actually butter, so super healthy I guess. And we are cleaning as we go, like our mothers and our grandmother taught us how to. Okay, so I think I have everything. So now I'm just gonna get a whisk. Y'all, I actually have a baking machine, but this part, the connection, like this part to it, got broken, so that's why I'm not using it. I don't know if I want to go ahead and replace it or just get a new one. In all, I want to invest a little bit in my kitchen appliances and my kitchenware just a little bit more. I think I should just put the flour away so I have a little bit more space to work with. Though I don't have a lot of space to work with, I try to ensure that I utilize the space nicely. And you know what? Actually, I am not over the top upset that I don't have a larger kitchen or the kitchen island, because I swear the bigger the kitchen, the more the mess. So I'm not mad at all. Oop, I should put the vanilla back. The only thing is, I mean, I have a hand blender. I should just use the hand blender, but I was supposed to make this with my son, and he was supposed to be a part of the process, but he ditched me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up until it's kind of nice and creamed together. And look at the light. This is so much better lighting. Before, the light was not lighting, but now it is. I'm holding it away from you guys so that I can get my hand muscles in there and mix it up nicely. So this is what it's given. I think it's a little bit more creamed, so let's go ahead and mix our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. I need to get a bigger spatula because this one is tiny. Okay guys, so the batter is all mixed and ready, but what I am going to do is just kind of plop it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes and let it chill. I find when you do that, the cookies turn out a little bit better. If you don't pop it in the fridge to chill for about 20 to 30 minutes, what will happen is the cookie will cook too fast, and then you'll get these like paper thin chocolate chip cookies, and then it becomes undesirable to my liking. It's just a big blob, whereas a chocolate chip cookie is supposed to be nice and like decadent. So if you want your cookie to cook evenly and nicely and have an aesthetic look, chill it for about 20 to 30 minutes in the refrigerator. So that's what I'm going to do, and I will catch you guys back a little later where we're just like taking our ice cream scoop and scooping it onto the cookie sheet and then bake them. Okay, so that is it. I cannot wait for fall, because fall is where I go all out. I'm kind of sad that I don't have the kitchen space to bake, but baking shall happen because it is fall, my absolute favorite season coming up. Okay, hey guys, it is much later on in the day. I apologize for the dishwasher going off, but the cookies are done. This is what they're looking like. They are so decadent. Absolutely in love. I will put the recipe down in the description box below so that you guys can try these absolutely delicious chocolate chip cookies. Let's just break one together. Focus. Okay, just look how amazing that looks. It's so soft, so I guess moist, right? It looks so good, y'all. And like I told you guys, I think I waited too long to make these cookies. There isn't really much ice cream to pair with it, so we're just gonna have to eat it like this, and that's okay. It's so good. It is late. I need to get to my bed. I have work tomorrow. All right, we're signing out. Deuces. Bye, guys.